One word which has been becoming more popular in the world for the past 3 months. One word which has been shaking the world. Can you guess what is that word? Yes, it is a coronavirus. Since the time coronavirus came to India, the government of India has been trying to make it as clear as possible for the general public. But still there are some doubts regarding the terms of coronavirus. Now we are going to discuss the vocabulary of coronavirus. Whatever the doubts that you are having regarding the vocabulary of coronavirus would be clear by the end of this video. So please watch till the end of this video. You will know so many things regarding the vocabulary of coronavirus. COVID-19, the name of this disease. Officially it is called COVID-19. It has come from the words coronavirus disease 2019 because it appeared in the year of 2019, so it became COVID-19. Co for corona, VI for virus, D for disease, 19 for 2019. This is the explanation of COVID-19. For suppose if anyone get infected with coronavirus, then how do we say in English? Simply we can say he has the coronavirus, she has the coronavirus, he tested positive for the coronavirus, she tested positive for the coronavirus. So we can say like that. Pandemic. What does it mean? What is called pandemic? Before going to say something about pandemic, I want to tell you about two words. Those are very important. The first one, outbreak. You might have heard about this word. Outbreak. What is outbreak? Something happened suddenly and lot of people are infected. It is called outbreak. Like we watched from television and we read in the newspaper, the coronavirus was outbreak in Wuhan. And the next word, epidemic. Epidemic means spreading of the virus to more people in more areas. So comparing to outbreak, epidemics affects a lot. And moving on, pandemic. What is pandemic? Disease spreads all over the world, then it can become pandemic. WHO, World Health Organization, declared the COVID-19 is pandemic. So it affects a lot. It can become more dangerous. So everyone should be in safe. Everyone should be alert. Social distance. Since COVID-19 came to India, we have been listening the word social distance. Let us understand what is social distance exactly. Social distance is nothing but safe distance of about 3 to 6 feet from others. The distance will not only prevent you from spreading any kind of infections, but also it will break the chain of the disease. So social distance is one of the finest key strategy to stop the spread of coronavirus, to save our life from COVID-19. So everyone must maintain social distance for a long period of time. Then only we can be safe from this dangerous disease. Hand hygiene. So it is also key strategy to slow down the spread of coronavirus. Washing hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. In future, we have to maintain hand sanitizer in our pocket, as we have been maintaining mobile phone in our pockets. So it can become must for everyone. Isolation. You might be listening so many times the word isolation from the newspapers and televisions and all. Let us we understand what is isolation exactly. Here in the definition, there is a word contagious disease. So what does it mean? So COVID-19 is a contagious disease. It means contagious means it can easily pass to others. So isolation means the people who are sick or infected with the disease are kept away from the healthy people. It is called isolation. To understand in a simple manner, if a person are confirmed that he has a coronavirus, then he will be in isolation. He will be kept away from the healthy people. This is called isolation. Quarantine. Most of the people think that isolation, quarantine both are same, but no, they are not same. There is a slight difference between isolation and quarantine. Let us know what is the exact difference between two words. Quarantine means people who have come in contact with infected people. Symptoms are not being appeared. Just quarantine period will reveal whether they become sick or not. To understand in simple manner, if a person who had a contact with infected people, symptoms are not being appeared, he has a doubt whether virus will attack him or not. This time, this quarantine period will decide whether he will be infected or not. This is called quarantine. In this situation, the person should be in quarantine period. I will tell you some examples so that you can clearly understand what is the difference between isolation and quarantine. First, isolation. For example, I traveled from abroad, infected with the virus and confirmed in the test, then I will be in isolation. Quarantine. I traveled from the abroad, had a contact with infected people, symptoms are not being appeared, just I have a doubt that whether I may be attacked with the virus, then I will be in quarantine. The quarantine period will decide whether I will be attacked with the virus or not. So in order to be safe from COVID-19, we have to follow do's. The first one, maintain social distance. So this is one of the finest key strategy to maintain safe distance of about 1 meter from others. This is very important one. The next one, wash hands so frequently with soap. This is also one of the important activity that we have to make it habit. Wash hands so frequently. The third one, use hand sanitizer. Like I have said, the way we are maintaining mobiles in our pocket, in the same manner we have to maintain hand sanitizer in our pockets. The next one, avoid touching face, mouth, eyes, nose. So keep avoiding touching of face, eyes, and nose and ears. So there are some chances to be attacked from the virus. So it is better to avoid touching face, eyes, nose and ears. Next, avoid direct contact with people. So it is better to avoid direct contacts. Means shaking hands, hugging with the people. So these are the activities which may lead to be attacked from the virus. So better to avoid direct contacts. No shaking hands, no huggings, no putting hands on other shoulders. So these are the activities which may lead to be attacked with the virus. So keep avoiding all these things. Next, cough, sneeze into a bend of your elbow. So if you get cough, then it is better to cough below the elbow like that. So don't cough like Don't cough like that, don't do like that. And sneeze, if you get sneeze, then it is better to sneeze below the elbow like that. So it is better to do that. And maintain handkerchief. Keep in touch with people through phones and social media. So nowadays it is better to keep in touch with the people over telephone, social media, than contact directly. So these are some of the activities to be followed by everyone in order to be safe from COVID-19, in order to stop the spread of coronavirus. So everyone has to make it habit in our daily routine life. So friends, these are some of the vocabularies of COVID-19 which are being mostly used in the world. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, then please share and subscribe my channel so that you will get my latest videos on your YouTube. Thank you very much guys for watching my videos. Keep watching and keep updating yourself. Last but not least, take care, be healthy and be happy. Jai Hind.